Matthew para tayo mag-celebrate ng kanyang birthday. See you guys later! Hey guys, sorry ang init Andito tayo sa Calgary after natin maligaw ng bongga. Kain na tayo. Sana masarap dito. Tara, try natin sa loob. Tara. Ang ganda na lighting Ay wow, don't judge the book by its cover.
What do you mean? It's not coming?
Mukhang hindi masarap. Ang kakasarap.
Ay, ganun. What is that?
Hungry.
Hi guys, antay lang tayo sa food. Tapos pakita ko sa inyo mamaya kapag dumating na. Buffet nga pala itong buffet. So yun, ayun. Lungkot niya no, lungkot. Ayan, hilaw na beef. Ayan, kain tayo guys, kain tayo. Ayan ang food. Meron tayong mga tempura. Ayun. Bakit may tawal? Ayun guys, pakita ko lang.
This is good.
One of the best na to Ang sarap. Naku, ang daming pagkain. Hindi kasya dito. Ang sarap. Ayun na. Ginagawa mo? Tempura. Mama, lagi mo sinasabi ang taba-taba ko, diba? Subo ko ng subo. Ayan para sa'yo to.
Generous
Ito, ang gulo. Tom yum. Lemongrass chicken. Okay lang siya guys, pero hindi na maulit. I can breathe. Parang nakalimutan yung beef ko. Ang sarap. Sarap ito guys. May na ulit guys Ano yung lasa?
You forgot about it.
Garlic beef. Ang asat.
Pilaw.
Buchi pala ang lusot. Expect na ako doon. Ano yan mga order mo, Marcho? Guys, favorite kong miso soup. Alam ko na ba? Ginagawa mo? Tempura in order nyo. Guys, comment down below. Ano ba ito? Stick it dito, guys. After guys, dito pumunta tayo Hermes kasi mag-shopping spree si Zara.
Nope.
Joke lang. Asian donut. Ano tikman natin, guys?
Is it good?
Guys, sobrang sarap. Ang sarap ng panggang. So good. Ginagawa mo? Zara, ilang taon ka na pala?
27.
Nope.
29 na si Zara.
31.
Tempura.
Ready na for round 2? Ang lahat ng order natin.
Nope.
Reorder everything.
Balat ng ahas.
Yes. It's even worse.
Balat ng ahas, hindi balat ng buwet. So, ayun guys. Tapos na tayong kumain sa dito. Basta yun yung kinain na namin. Hi guys! Nandito tayo sa Chinook. Hey guys! Good morning! Good afternoon! Sabit yarn. Hey guys! Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening! Mga! Ulitin natin! Ang laki ng tiyan na doon! Mga! And today, mag-check-in lang tayo ng isang gabi lang dahil birthday po ni Zara bukas. Sobrang mabilis ang plano, like wala.
Sobrang biglaan.
Gano'n kabigla? Like, ganon. Hi guys! Hagard yarn. And then, sa kasalukuyan, nasa jacuzzi lang ako, you know. Nasa jacuzzi lang ako. Isang jet top. I'm just enjoying. Hi guys! Good morning! And today, birthday ni Zara. Happy birthday, Zara! Mapangos ka. Ito na naman ang t-shirt ko. Paborito ko to Bili rin kayo. $7 lang. Old Navy. Hi guys! Ay nako guys. Balitaan ko kayo. Hindi pa kami kumakain. Tayo mag-makeup. May makeup pa ba?
Nope.
Okay na yung lip tint tsaka tattoo brow. Birthday celebration. TNT. Hindi ka kabusog?
Gusto ko na ng sana.
Ang tawag dito? Ikot ka mo. Sige. Sige, tsaka yung isa, tsaka isa. Sakad ka ba?
Okay, you know what? This one was actually just taken out today, right?
Yes, just give me a second. I'll show you when how to
Okay, okay.
Ginagawa mo? No, hindi mo matayo. Sa likod. Side. Ginagawa mo?
Parang wala naman sila ng sides ah.
Yak na yan? Sarah, nasaya ka? Gaano kasaya?
My personal favorite. Lakers
nice.
colors because it's got the yellow on the inside.
Oh! Nice.
Red or black?
Up to you. Red.
Red?
Hi guys. Hi guys. So tapos na kami mag-shopping. Mission accomplished, I think. Sarap yan. Pakita mo naman. Potato corn.
Barbecue and sour cream!
Welcome back guys. Today we're gonna do some unboxing. Simulan na natin.
English!
Hi guys. So today we're gonna unbox some Gucci that I got for my birthday. Here's the Gucci sunglasses. I'm not sure what the name is, but it is an aviator. There is no name for it.
I call it the Gucci sheds.
Gucci sheds?
Yeah, Gucci sheds.
Great. Okay, so I got the maroon velvet case. There is a bright red case, but unfortunately it wasn't available.
Nope.
The inside is pink. I'm not sure if I like that, but oh well. Comes with the Gucci cloth, of course. And here is the sunglasses.
I'm sorry. I burped in myself.
Alright, the reason I got this one is because of the plastic frame. I can't wear metals. I am allergic. And here you go. Trying it on, front, and the side.
Ginagawa mo.
It is pretty light. Might be lighter compared to my Oakleys. And it looks sharp. It looks nice. It looks classic actually.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry, guys. Touching myself.
Bustles. Comes with a pouch as well. Gucci gang.
China oil.
Thanks to my sponsor. So that's it for the sunglasses. It came with its own paper bag. Here you go. Now we're gonna do the slide. And now let's do the other item. Dun, dun, dun. Are you guys excited? Receipt. Ready?
Read it.
There's no smell.
One smile, please. Smile, please. Thank you.
Okay, so as you can see, we have two dust bags in here. So as you guys saw in the previous clips, it took me a while to decide which one to get. So I had to choose from a Louis Vuitton slide, the black one, and between the Gucci crisscross slides and just the normal slide. And I got the normal one. Let's get the other one too. I like the color of this one. It's brighter compared to the crisscross one. We also had the slide with just the stripes, red and green stripes, and the colors are muted in that one as well. So there you go. Show the Gucci. On the back side of it, there is no foam in here. It's just rubber. If you guys are allergic, and you're just gonna have to try it out.
Ginagawa mo. Hi guys!
Thanks so much for watching.
Don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
comment down below what other videos you want to see in our next vlog. And don't forget to
Hit the notification bell. Also, you guys would always be updated. And
see you in our next vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!